All right, let's take it to 15 minutes to get a trigger, and definitely now we have a trigger. We have, of course, some kind of a trigger also on the 1 hour. We didn't record it, but it looks like we're having just about to have a degree 3 on the 1 hour and a degree 3 on the 15 minutes at the same time. If we break above overbought here on the 1 hour, it's considered a degree 3 because that was a 1-2. We already had it labeled here 1-2, so it's still running the 1-2. Now let's have that 15 minutes is really the entry. And of course we can all decipher this. There is a bounce here, didn't make 0, almost made 0, but maybe we will just consider it's not really counting. Now that was a 1-2, there was an internal 1 and an internal 2. You can note that internal level 2 bounced at the top of 1. Remember that only the candle close counts, not the spikes. So this is, we would use this to our favor, that the market is a buy. Now this is a breakout into 3. Your best entry, of course, is 50% into this breakout or the actual market itself. Okay, so suppose I was going to do 50% under that breakout. Actually, I would use the bottom even of a spike, and I'm going all the way up to top of the market. You would consider that you're going to be buying 78.2, 78.6, 113.47, 113.5. Current market is 113.58 or 56. So actually current market is simply a buy at this level. We are fortunate enough to be in at the time of the breakout. Okay, buying at 113.5. We just have a stop below that spike at 112. 113, I'm sorry, 112.99 or 113. So we're buying 113.5. We have a stop at 113. This has potential to go a long way if the market really does believe in dollar strength. You know, we've always been bullish United States dollar against the yen. We're looking at these shoulder levels. Whatever we're buying right now, we'll see today at least 114, we think. And there's going to be rejection on degree on 4-hour chart at that point, because we're having negative momentum on the 4-hour chart. So whatever we're buying now has impetus to do 50 points, because over here we're having 113.7, then 114. We can close out, take that money, and this is what you're seeing on the 4 hours. You're going to have a degree 1 and have a correction. You're seeing, of course, had an inverted shoulder. So we rebuy. We have to be efficient. We rebuy on gyrations around the moving average. Next time we are going to do that right shoulder 114.8, 114.9, and even 115s, 115.4. So it's important to take profit at 114, that level, because if we do not, we will have to hold on to that trade over maybe 1.5 weeks, and we're going to see a lot of choppiness, because this is a wave 4. This is, sorry, a 4-hour chart, and this is still a wave 1 on the 4-hour chart. We're going to see that shoulder before we see 104 higher levels than 114.